Hi, thanks for joining me at Karen's Homemade Comforts. We're gonna make some pork fried rice. So I use this Kikkoman's fried rice packet, but I kind of do my own thing with it. So the packet says to fry up 2 slices of bacon, but I'm gonna make this pork fried rice with a little leftover little chunk of pork loin that I had that I chopped up into little squares. So first, we're going to get this going on a nice high heat. Okay, so I have about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to saute 3 green onions chopped up. I have this on about medium-high. Just gonna do those a few minutes. Okay, so once our onions are softened up a little bit, we're gonna scrape them over to the side, and we're gonna add our 3 eggs that are scrambled up a little bit. And we're just gonna let them cook over here. Scrambled eggs. In that oil. You want to keep moving them or they're going to start burning. Cooked like scrambled eggs, but soft, not well done. And they start getting firm pretty quick. Kind of keep breaking them up so they're not in big chunks. And now I'm going to put those green onions in it. Okay. Now we're going to turn this down. We don't need it so high anymore. And we're going to add our rice. The packet says 3 cups of cold rice, but I use 4. You can use whatever you want. Do it exactly according to the packet. Use your bacon if you'd like. And I'm just going to fry that up. Our eggs are getting a little more done. That's why we didn't want them too done before we added the rice. And this rice was already cooked. You want already cooked rice, and then I'm going to add the cut up pork, heat up, in with everything, and our seasoning. And just mix that all up. Right now I have the burner on 5, about halfway, medium heat. I just want everything to heat through and mix it up. Good. Very quick, easy, simple dinner, which you can have this alone as a main course. You have your meat in there. You can always make chicken fried rice if you had a leftover chicken breast or something you want to use up. Chicken thighs, whatever. Looking good. Okay, then I always do just another little drizzle of oil in there. Mix that up. Mix that in, rather. And there you have it. Pork fried rice. Quick, easy, and ready to eat.